Welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you through the process of copying your list link in X, full guide, using your Android device. If you want to share your list with others or save them for later, follow these simple steps. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the X app on your Android device. Step 2. Tap your profile picture located at the top left of the screen. This will take you to your profile page. Step 3. Tap Lists. Look for the option that says Lists and tap on it. Step 4. Type your list. Create a new list or select an existing one and add the desired items. Step 5. Tap the Share icon. Look for the Share icon, usually represented by an arrow pointing upwards, and tap on it. Step 6. Tap Share Via. This will open the sharing options for your list. Step 7. Tap Copy URL. Find the option that says Copy URL and tap on it. By following these steps, you can easily copy the link to your list and share it with others or save it for future reference. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and guides. Thank you for watching.